Hello, this is an unpacking video, manufacturer number UB-2011-PC, made by Thunderbolt Customs. It's your ultra big mouth little Sure shotgun rest in pink. Take it out so you can get a closer look at it. Show you a picture. It'll fit anywhere from 1 1/4 inch to 2 3/8 inches. Large branches, trees, signposts, and even ATV uprights.